Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing Hitler's rise to power. Adolf Hitler's rise to power began in September 1919 when he joined the political party that would later become known as the German Workers' Party. The name was changed in 1920 to the National Socialist German Workers' Party, commonly known as the Nazi Party. Hitler was anti-Marxist, opposed the Weimar Republic's post-war democratic government and the Treaty of Versailles, and advocated for extreme nationalism and anti-Semitism. Hitler came to power in March 1933 after the Reichstag passed the Enabling Act that month, granting him extended powers. President Paul von Hindenburg appointed Hitler as Chancellor on January 30, 1933, following a series of parliamentary elections and behind-the-scenes maneuvering. The Enabling Act, when used ruthlessly and authoritatively, allowed Hitler to wield dictatorial powers without constitutional legal objections. In the early years of the party, Hitler rose to a prominent position. As one of the most skilled orators, he became the party's new leader after threatening to leave. His willingness to use violence to advance political goals and to employ party members willing to do the same helped him significantly. The Beer Hall Putsch in November 1923 and the subsequent publication of his book Mein Kampf expanded Hitler's audience. During the mid-1920s, the party, involved in electoral battles that Hitler participated in as a speaker and organizer, also engaged in street fights and violence with the Rotfront-Kampfverband. By the late 1920s and early 1930s, the Nazis gathered enough electoral support to become the largest political party in the Reichstag. Hitler's political acumen, deceit, and cunning transformed the party from a minority to an effective governing power in the ailing Weimar Republic of 1933, with initial steps towards consolidation of power beginning. After World War I, Hitler joined the newly formed Nazi Party and established the Sturmabteilung paramilitary group, setting a violent tone for the movement early on. Initially, Hitler saw Bavaria as a revolutionary tool against the central government in Protestant Berlin. However, an early attempt failed, and after the Munich Beer Hall Putsch in 1923, he was imprisoned. He used his time in prison to write Mein Kampf, arguing that effeminate Jewish Christian morality was weakening Europe and that Germany needed a strong leader to rebuild and establish an empire. He decided on a legal approach to gain power. Following the armistice, 25-year-old Austrian-born Hitler, after receiving permission from Bavarian King Ludwig III, joined a Bavarian regiment of the German army, despite not yet being a German citizen. Germany, having been a major nation involved in World War I on the Western Front for over 4 years, saw the end of hostilities on November 19, 1918. Hitler was discharged from Pasewalk Hospital and returned to Munich, then in a state of socialist turmoil. Upon his arrival on November 21, he was assigned to the 2nd Infantry Regiment, 1st Reserve Battalion, 7th Company. In December, he was assigned as a guard to a prisoner-of-war camp in Traunstein. He would remain there until January 1919 when the camp was disbanded. He returned to Munich and stayed in barracks while awaiting reassignment. During his time in Munich, several assassinations occurred, including that of socialist Kurt Eisner on February 21, 1919. Hitler's unit was reassigned as a liaison officer on April 15, 1919. During this period, he urged his unit to remain neutral and not to side with either faction. The Bavarian Soviet Republic collapsed officially on May 6, 1919, after General Burkhard von Oven and his forces secured the city. Following arrests and executions, Hitler condemned another liaison officer, George Dufter, as part of the Soviets' radical wing. In his statements to the Military Investigation Board, Hitler said that other members of the army had been infected with revolutionary enthusiasm. Due to his anti-communist views, he was allowed to be discharged, and the unit was dissolved in May 1919.